I'm Anita from Global Baby, and today I'm going to show you the new Maxi Cosi AxissFix Air. So you might be familiar with the previous model, which was the AxissFix Plus. And what they've done with this model is they've put in these cool airbags in the shoulder straps. So if you are in a car accident, the ISOFIX points are going to send a signal to the airbags within like fractions of a second, and the airbags will inflate. We'll put some fancy videos in here so you can see, right? They're going to explain it better than me. They're going to inflate and they will support the child's head. So the same thing, you can have the child rear facing from 61 to 87 centimeters, and then you can turn it around to forward facing as well, and does go a little bit more upright in that forward facing position. So you'll install it in the car using ISOFIX and the Top Tether. So you need a car with both of those things, and I've got outside a beautiful Range Rover Sport, so I'll show you it in there. Right, so I'm just going to install this seat now in this amazing Range Rover Sport. So the first thing that you would do is pull out the tether point, just put that somewhere, and then you're going to open up the ISOFIX points. Now the ISOFIX connectors are just here in between the seat back and the seat. Once you connect it, you'll get that it'll turn green and you'll get a really satisfying click, so you know that's it. And then we're going to connect the tether point in the back. So the tether point in this car is over on the back of the seat. So I'm going to come around here and I'll show you. So I'm just going to thread it. This is a trick, but I always thread it in between the headrest and the seat, just so it stays in place, kind of. It's not going to slide off or on. I'm going to thread that over. So that is nicely labelled there, Top Tether. And you'll just click the yellow one. Make sure you've got no like folds or kinks. And then you can pull this one at the top, so that's just on the back of the seat. You can pull that one to tighten it. It's tight. That's done, and I'll just come back and show you the seat. So this seat is really good for people who find it difficult, like maybe if they have a back injury or something, they find it difficult to get the child into the seat when it's rear facing, because you can turn it around, put the child in. So I've got a 9-month-old baby here. This is Remy. Hey! And obviously she's going to go rear facing, so I've set that one up, and this has got these little hooks on the what do you call that, shoulder strap. You can hold it out of the way while you put the baby in. Alright, gorgeous. Okay. So you've got your adjustable headrest here, and I just noticed that it was a little bit high for her, so there we go. Here we go, honey. Ah, that's a good thing to hold on to. So inside the shoulder straps, it's got those airbags, inflatable airbags. So if you are in an accident, they're going to inflate like within milliseconds of impact to support the child's head. Satisfying click. Yeah, and it also has this little test. There we go. How's that? Alright guys, so that was the Maxi Cosi AxissFix Air. That's one of the really top of the line car seats in the world at the moment. If you want to come and see it, we're at 161 Manukau Road in Auckland, and we're Global Baby. Thanks guys.